LOL. Welcome to my channel at home with Carla. I just had a sleepy day today, it's Sunday, and I just wanted to give you an update on the abandoned dogs that was rescued in Texas. Stay tuned. All right, here is the update. As you can see, they made it back safe. Our son drove 770 miles, and then his friend drove the rest of the way from Antonio, Texas, up to Toma, Wisconsin. That was quite a drive. But they made it safe, and I'm so glad. And thank you for your prayers. If you live in the Wisconsin area or know somebody in the area that wants to foster, there's a lot available, and they're so cute and adorable. Yeah, they either were in a hurricane situation, Hurricane Harvey, or in abandoned situation and families, mistreated, whatever. But they're all good dogs. They've been spayed and neutered, like I said. And but yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you're having a good day, and we'll talk to you tomorrow. Quote of the day. As you get older, three things happen. The first is your memory goes, and I can't remember the other two.